Want pro-level 3D prints at record speed? Meet the Sovol SV08 Core XY 3D printer. Imagine complex models finished in hours, not days. Perfect for makers, designers, and 3D printing enthusiasts. Core XY Kinematics delivers ultra-fast 700mm print speeds. Experience up to 4000 mm S2 acceleration for rapid move. Large 13.8 by 13.8 by 13.6 inch build volume. Unleash creativity. Print big, ambitious projects easily. Open source design based on Voron 2.4 architecture. Full compatibility with Orca Slicer for advanced slicing. Enjoy arc fitting, variable line width, spiral ascent. Orca Slicer's smart cooling and overhang speed reduction. User-friendly interface makes setup and operation simple. Supports multiple printer brands for flexible workflows. Quad gantry auto leveling with 4 independent Z motors. No more manual leveling, just perfect first layers every time. Pressure sensor auto-adjusts nozzle to build plate distance. Reduces print failures, compensates for wear or damage. Klipper firmware powers next-gen speed and accuracy. Input shaping minimizes vibration for flawless detail. Pressure advance ensures consistent extrusion everywhere. PID tuning stabilizes nozzle and bed temperatures. Ceramic heating block reaches 300 degrees quickly. AC heated bed hits 220 degrees in just 40 seconds. Start printing almost instantly. No waiting around. Supports a wide range of filament materials. Dual high-speed fans cool filament from 3 sides. Reduces warping, improves overhangs and surface finish. All-axis linear rails for ultra-smooth, precise movement. Guides print head and platform with pinpoint accuracy. Consistent, high-quality results on every print. Built-in camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse. Watch your prints progress from anywhere, anytime. LAN, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet for remote printer control. Easily manage prints and access advanced features remotely. Professional-grade hardware meets open-source flexibility. Transform your workflow with reliable, fast 3D printing. Tackle large, detailed projects with confidence. Achieve perfect first layers and flawless finishes. Experience the future of 3D printing today. Ready to upgrade your creative potential? Get the Sovol SV08 Core XY 3D printer now.